Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn on how to use the Gnucash. So if you want to plan your finances without paying for expensive budgeting apps, so I'm going to show you on how you can actually do that. Okay, so first is we are going to download Gnucash to our computer. So just visit the Gnucash website, and then after that, you would be able to see these download options. So we have for Windows, for Apple, and Mac OS. Okay, so just going to download this one for Windows, and then after that, you just have to install the um, the Gnucash. Okay, then after that, you would be able to see here now this software. Okay, so yeah, right here, we just have to open Cache. That's right. And then just go to the action section. Okay, and then I just have to select budget. And then I just had to tap on the new budget option. That's right. Okay. And then after that, just have to give your budget a name such as 2026 monthly budget. Then you just have to choose the number of periods. Okay, so here, this is our budget section, right? So yeah, you just have to just going to delete this one, and then let's go back here, and then let's create a new budget. Okay, so here you just have to rename your budget. Okay, that's right. Okay, and then after adding all of those details, you just have to tap on the OK option. Now you'll see a list of your income and your expenses. Your expense account, simply enter the amount you expect to earn and spend for each category. So for example, you can budget 30,000 for salary, 8,000 for rent, and so on. So to make the budgeting faster, you can use the estimate feature. Okay, you can also do that. You can use the estimated feature, and then to compare your budget with your actual spending, just have to go to the report section after adding those, and then you just have it to open the budget report. Okay, so you have it right here. That's right. And this report shows whether you're staying with your budget or overspending in certain categories, making it much easier to make your finances. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So if you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.